Всем привет! У нас сегодня новый выпуск реакции иностранцев на кыргызские клипы.
Boring. Boring.
Try, at least.
I'm just kidding.
Well, it's gonna be about relationship, like every music clip in
Yeah.
Asia.
It's like the Kyrgyz guy. He's mistreating his lady again. Алмаз
Шаадаев.
Yeah, it was too fast. I couldn't read it. Shaadayev. Алмаз Shaadayev. Very famous in Kyrgyzstan.
Yeah, it's very famous.
But he looks so young.
Yeah, it's young. I
He's
think
a Justin
he's
Bieber of Kyrgyzstan.
25
Okay.
years old.
Is that the same guy or is it somebody else? Yeah, not somebody else, huh? It looks like
Things are not going well.
looks like the perfect relation. They are very happy.
Well, he seems rich, so I guess it's okay for them.
Is this the most famous? Hey, what's that? He doesn't have a white hat.
Yeah,
Yeah, well,
every
ridiculous.
ad I saw on this Twitter.
He's not most of the famous. He's one of the most.
Okay.
I have to say, that's really my kind of music. It's like electro pop. I don't know.
I prefer Pearl Jam.
Yeah, sure. Oh fuck. Drama incoming.
His airbag wasn't working properly.
Oh, that's a road safety commercial. That's catchy.
Operational.
Operation Block.
Yeah, block. Holy crap.
That's pretty dark. Most of the time, the kind of music clip are about just girls and love, not
Yeah.
about
Now
losing a
about
leg. And...
car accidents. She's not even helping.
No.
What a bitch.
Yeah, she doesn't care. And she have a lover.
Nah, that was a father. Yeah, fantastic. What can I say? Fantastic.
Do you understand what happens?
He lost a leg. That's all I can say. No idea.
Why did he get in a car accident? Why? What
Yeah,
happened?
what the song is about?
I don't know. I didn't watch this.
You don't even know the song?
No?
Oh.
But you can't understand what he sang or what? Mirbek Atabekov, Muras. And it's a swamp
Muras means song?
in Dutch.
Oh, okay.
Айтамын ғанаң ей, атадан ғана қалған Мурасты.
That's not so bad.
Yeah,
Жаңғырып заман ей,
this is a lot better.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be a happy song either, I think.
Nice video.
Yeah. It's the artistic
But this is a lot better.
yeah.
The previous
Michael
song
and
was been pretty boring, but this is pretty good.
This guy is most popular.
Yeah,
I can understand that.
yeah.
Because the other one seems like every kind of new pop thing.
Yeah.
They get
They're
famous
all
for
the
few
same.
months and they disappear.
Yeah.
And the video is pretty epic.
Yeah.
But still, we don't understand anything.
Can you at least tell us what it's about?
Yeah.
Listen to the song.
The main topic of the song.
I can't translate. My English is not as good.
Just what it's about in 2 words. I guess it's about the country.
Yeah, it looks like it's about Kyrgyzstan.
It's about Turkish people. History, fathers.
Well, this instrument doesn't make this sound.
Special effects.
Yeah. I don't know what's the name of the instrument.
I would love to know who made the video.
But there must be an internet site where the lyrics are on. Yes?
Yeah, we can.
And then you
chat
do
for it later.
Google Translate, and it's yeah. Have you ever done it?
No.
I'll show you, motherfucker. And the he that's
Oh, I showed you this one.
I like this one.
The second floor. That was in the last picture.
yeah.
Almost.
Oh
Comus.
yes, yeah. You can play it?
No, it's not working.
Oh.
What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's
It's
Really
better
good.
than first.
Yeah.
a lot better. So show me the lyrics.
Yeah,
What,
let's find some lyrics.
What do you think? What about this music?
That's good.
No. What about he singing?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can
it's
say.
pretty good.
No.
Oh, what about? Oh, I think it's about the country. the
About the
history.
country.
Yeah. About the Kyrgyz people, I guess.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Right.
That's true. And you?
Yeah, it's just what he said.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Easy.
Yeah, I'll show you the second one.
No, it show us the lyrics.
Yeah,
motherfucker.
Ребята, они читают перевод.
That's still pretty obscure.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's also
Yeah,
always difficult because it's
Yeah.
it's like most songs are a bit like poetry, so it's always
Exactly,
confusing to translate that.
But it's about the people
And-
how they live.
Country, yeah.
Yeah. About tradition.
Yeah.
Well. So he means well.
yeah.
Yeah, it's about the history of the country and its people.
Yeah, he say about history, about Kyrgyz people, about tradition, say the tradition, the Kyrgyz history was good, something. The patriot music. You ready to next video?
Same guy or different?
No, different. This is the most viewed video.
In Kyrgyzstan?
Hoe lang?
Yeah, this is the most viewed. He has the most viewers on YouTube. Nurlan Nasip. Are you ready? Stop it.
Let's go.
Start it.
Huh? Is that Istanbul?
I don't know where they shoot this
I
clip.
think it's Istanbul.
Yeah.
I see it first time.
And it's about love. Again. Yeah, same kind of music as the first one.
Yeah.
You know, pop beat and lyrics about love. A rich guy wanted to seduce young woman.
This is not Istanbul anymore.
You can just focus on the location.
Yeah, I'm always interested in if I know where it is. I don't know where it is, but I would love to see it. Yes. It was also with the license plate of Istanbul.
This cup of tea seems like Istanbul.
Yes.
Let's.
I think this is less good than the previous one, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure. But which one do you prefer? Because the first one and this one.
For me, it's the first one and this one is almost the same.
Yeah.
A bit from the
At least the first one was interesting because it was not about just,
yeah.
you know, classic
Yeah.
Russian shit. But for me, this kind of music is boring, you know?
You're not saying anything, Timbaland.
The music itself is the kind of music you already heard 1,000 times.
What?
Yeah.
I don't understand. You have to talk louder. Yeah, 34. It's Istanbul. What do Kyrgyz people in Turkey? Doesn't make any sense. Oh, then it's Yusuf. Yusuf also lived in Turkey for a long time.
Crying in a microphone does not make good music.
No.
Can we listen to rock music?
Yeah.
Or metal
I just
music?
got a three one. It's boring, yeah?
Yeah.
But maybe because I just don't
This
like
is
this kind of
boring.
music.
No.
It's about love, beautiful shooting, beautiful place, beautiful girl, yeah?
It's easy to be in love when you're rich. Wait, drama incoming.
Interesting moment is coming.
No, the second one was definitely the best one.
Yeah. Absolutely. The second
Yeah.
one was the best.
But which one the better? First or this?
Same. For me, same.
Yeah?
First, because the guy lost a leg. It was funny. So.
No, say something about video clips and say no.
I don't have a lot of imagination. No, I'm really
Say
glad.
the
I'm really
first
glad
one,
I
sec-
discovered Muras. I really like this one, so I think it was at least interesting. Yeah,
Oh, you can hear it on your earphones and
yeah, I will download it.
yeah. The music is good and video clip is good.
Yeah, the video is amazing.
Say it on camera.
I want to know who did the video clip
Oh,
because I think he deserved to be famous for that.
yeah. Всем до свидания. Спасибо, что посмотрели. Пишите, если вам это видео
Спасибо
понравилось.
большое.
И постараюсь вам сделать еще новые ролики. Всем пока.
До свидания.